Hello everyone, welcome to Career Launcher, and today we are back with MICAT 2026 Data Interpretation Session 4. So we have already covered 3 sessions, and if you haven't watched those sessions, I would say just go and watch those sessions. Now, we have MICAT on Friday, that is on 13th. So basically, be ready for it. We are going to get similar kind of things in the exam. So basically, MyCat for MyCat, you need to write cat and zat, but eventually we are going to discuss that in some other session. Okay, so basically, if you have already done well in CAT 26, you are preparing for CAT 26. Now it's very high time to join daily dose because this makes a disciplined habit, so that you start solving questions daily, and you learn, evaluate, and you start making strategies from the very start itself. So now let's move on to set number 1. So basically, in this set, what it is saying, there are 7 employees A, B, C, D, E, F, G, who work in 3 different departments, while sales, IT, accounts. Does that there are not less than 2 employees in each department. Out of that, and out of 7 people, there are 3 females. Each employee has a different drink names: tea, coke, lassi, espresso, soda, cappuccino, lemonade, but not necessarily in the same order. Okay, and usually a lot of information is given here. There are pointers, and we have to work on the pointers. So basically, if I am going to look at the data, so this data is talking about total 4 parameters. One is going to be name, second is going to be department, third is going to be gender, fourth is going to be the drink that they like. Okay, so and again, if you have any doubt anywhere, just do let me know. We'll look at it. Now, let's start. Okay, so I have already made a table according to name, gender, department, and drinks. Okay, now the first one, B likes lemonade. I like this statement because direct information always helps. B likes lemonade, so B likes lemonade. Okay, and works in IT department. Okay, works in IT department. Uh, and one more person who's in IT department, that person likes tea. Okay, now that's good. So IT and T, and both are male. So B is a male. Some other person who is working in IT is also a male. So these 3 things are going to go hand in hand. Wherever they go, all 3 values are going to go together. Now it says F is a male. Okay, who works with 2 other employees. So basically, in IT department, so I can say there are 3 departments. One is going to be IT, second one is going to be sales, third one is going to be accounts. Okay, there are total 7 people, and out of 7 people, uh, every department has at least 2 employees. So at least 2 employees means if I divide 7 into 3 departments, and every department is going to have 2 employees, at least 2 employees. So the only bifurcation I can think of, 2 to 3. So some department is going to have 2 departments are going to have 2 employees. One department is going to have 3 employees. Now, if I talk about IT, in IT there are exactly 2 people. So IT has 2 people. Okay. Now one of the 2 departments is going to have 2 employees. One of the 2 departments is going to have 3 employees. Okay. F is a male who work with 2 other employees. Uh, uh, Working with F. The employees working with F are okay. So basically, F works in a department where there are 3 people. Okay. So F is working in a department that has 3 people. Now it can be either sales or accounts. It is definitely not IT. And the females with whom he is working, they like hot drinks. And what are the hot drinks? Tea, espresso, and cappuccino. Now tea is not a possibility, and why not? Because tea is liked by the person who is an IT. Okay. So basically, in the department that F is working, the 2 females that are working with F are going to like either espresso or cappuccino. Now, which one it is, I don't know. Okay. Now, C works in sales. C works in sales with exactly one other employee who likes, okay, so who likes lassi. So from this statement, what I can deduct, I can deduce that in sales also there are two people. So in accounts, there are going to be three people. So F belongs to which department? That is going to be accounts. Okay, so this is what I got. So this is what is clear with me. Okay, I don't know the gender of C. I know the gender of these people. Okay, I don't know what C likes. Okay, now G is a male who work with only one employee who's a female. And okay, so basically in IT there are two people, both are males. In accounts there is one male and two females. And in sales it says, so basically in sales I'm going to have one male and one female. Now it says uh, that G is a male who works with one other employee who is a female, and G does not like hot drinks. It means the only possible outcome I can have is G must be in sales, and G is working with another employee that is also in sales, so that is C, so that must be female. This must be male. Now, what does G likes? G must like lassi, because sales and lassi are going to go together. So I got the arrangement of three males and one female so far. Okay. The one who likes Coke does not work either in sales and IT. Okay. So basically, that the person who likes Coke must be from accounts department, and in account departments, both females like hot drinks. It means the Coke is liked by the one who's not a female, who must be a male. It means F must like Coke. So this is what we have concluded so far. Now it says D does not like espresso, cappuccino, or soda. So basically, if D is in sales department, it means in accounts department there are three people, and two people like espresso and cappuccino, and third person is already set. It means I can say that D does not belong to accounts department. D cannot belong to sales department. It means D must be in IT department. So D must be a male. It must be in IT, and D must be liking say T. Now, so remaining two people are going to be females, and both of them must be in accounts. All set. Now, these two people are going to like either espresso or cappuccino. And here I'm going to get cappuccino and or espresso. Now, what is the last drink remaining? That is going to be soda. So did we get everything? More or less, yes. Now let's look at the questions. Now, first question is saying the employees from account departments are. Now, if you are going to read the first question itself, you are going to know that there are going to be three employees in accounts department, and who they are, that is going to be A, E, and F. A, E, and F, that is going to be option A. Okay. Which combination represents G's favorite drink? So G's favorite drink is G's from lassi, and favorite sales and lassi. We get sales and lassi. Yes, that is option C. Okay. Now the next one, what is F's drink? F's drink is Coke. Already figured out. Which of the following combination is definitely correct? A is a female, so that is definitely incorrect. B is a male, so that is definitely incorrect. D is not from accounts. That is definitely incorrect. So C is in sales, soda, and female. Yes. So answer of this question is going to be option C. Now, who are female employees? I think A, E, and F. That is going to be option C. Now, let's see AEF. Let's see. Okay. So did we get AEC? So I made a mistake. Let me see. A, C, and E. Yes, my answer it was also E and C. I marked the answer wrong. But anyhow. So this is how you can approach, or you should approach, these kind of questions. So basically just draw a table. If there are multiple parameters, just pick up a question. If there are multiple parameters, then what you should do, just make a table according to the parameters and get the answers. Okay, now let's move on to set number 2. Now what does it say? It says there are 12 people, okay, who are sitting in two parallel rows facing each other, booked a movie ticket on one of the days from Monday to Saturday. A, B, C, D, E, F are sitting in row 1 and all of them are facing towards south. Okay, M, N, O, P, Q, R are sitting in row 2. All of them are facing towards north, but not necessarily in the same order. Row 2 members, okay. So basically, uh, Monday to Saturday, there are 6 days, 6 movie tickets, 6 people, and people are sitting. 6 people are looking at the north, 6 people are looking at the south. Okay, we got row 1, we got row 2. Now my job is to make the arrangement and so on. Okay, so I am just going with the seating arrangement of 6 people. Oh, did I draw a very straight line? Okay, so 6 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, 4, 5, 6, and I got 6 people, that is A, B, C, D, E, and F. And I have what? M, N, O, P, Q, R. 6 people who are looking at the south, 6 people are looking at the north. This is row 1, this is row 2, and this is what we got. Okay. Now, uh, I need to make the arrangement, and what are the arrangements are needed? Names as well as days. So I need to arrange 2 things over here. Okay, fair point. Now, when I'm going to look at this, when people are looking towards north, this is going to be right and this is going to be left. Okay, and when I'm going to look at this is going to be my left and this is going to be my right. Okay. Now, those who book tickets on either Saturday or Wednesday always sit on the extreme ends. Also, those who book tickets on Friday always sit each other opposite to each other. Okay, so basically in the corner, I can get only either Wednesday or Saturday. Okay, and Fridays are going to be opposite. Now, where they are going to be opposite, I don't know. N sits third to the left of N. So N, 1, 2, 3. So M sits third to the left of N, and neither of them sits at the extreme end. Okay. So basically, if you look carefully, there is only one possible arrangement. N is here, M is here. There is no other arrangement that's possible because neither of them can sit on the opposite ends. Okay. So N must be here, M must be here. Okay. Also, immediate neighbors of N books tickets on Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay. Now, Wednesday should be in the corner. So, this is going to be Wednesday and this is going to be Tuesday. So, we are set till this point. Okay. Only 3 people are sitting between D and E. Okay. 3 people are sitting between D and E. So, I got D, 1, 2, 3, E, and it can be vice versa. So, if E is here, 1, 2, 3, D can be here. If D is here, then 1, 2, 3, then E is here. Or it is possible that E is here, D is here, E is here, D is here. So basically for D and E, either this or this position works, or this and this position work. No other position is possible for D and E. But what position is there? I don't know. But let's let's check it later on. So it says either E or D sits on the extreme end, definitely because there is no other arrangement is possible. E sits opposite to Q, who sits second to the right of P. Okay, so I got P second to the right of Q. So Q sits second to the right of P, so P dash Q. So if P is here, Q is here, then E must be here. That's not possible because E can be either here, 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 or here. Okay. If P is here, then Q must be here. Not a possible arrangement. If P is here, then Q must be here. Does it work? Yes. So P must be here, Q must be here, E must be here, and D must be here. So this is the arrangement that we got so far. Okay. Okay. Now what we are going to do? Okay, so basically now A sits opposite to the one who booked the ticket on Thursday. Okay, so I got Thursday. Opposite to that is A. Okay, and is second to the right of one who booked movie ticket on Friday. Okay, so this is going to be Friday. So I got Friday, then dash, then A, then Thursday. So if A is here, then this must be Thursday, this must be Friday. Okay, that works. If A is here, not possible because this is Tuesday. If A is here, then this must be A and this must be Friday. Doesn't work. Why? Because the corner should be either Saturday or Wednesday. So it means the only possibility for A is this. This is A. This is going to be Friday. This is going to be Thursday. And this is going to be Friday because people from Friday always sitting opposite to each other. So this is what we got. Okay. Mm. Oh, I made a mistake over here. I made a blunder. I won't say it's a mistake, it's a blunder. It's a blunder. And why it is a blunder? Because A is sitting to the right. And I have taken A is sitting to the left. So this is a mistake that I have made. Okay. So basically, what is the arrangement that we are actually looking for? This is A and this should be Friday because, okay. So if, so let's say this is Friday. So if this is Friday, this is Friday, and this is Friday, then this must be A. This can't be Friday. If this is Friday, then this must be A and this must be Thursday. That's not possible. So the only possibility I can see that this is A, this is going to be Friday, and this is going to be Friday, and this must be Thursday. And there is no alternate arrangement that we can see. Okay. Now between Saturday and Wednesday, Wednesday is here, so this must be Saturday. This is what we got because the corners should be occupied by either Saturday or Wednesday. And the last one is M, so that comes out to be Monday. And this is what we got. Okay. Immediate neighbors of D book tickets on Wednesday and Tuesday. So I can say this is Wednesday. This is Tuesday. Because corner value cannot be uh, anything except Wednesday or Saturday. So this should be Saturday. Now, and D did not book a ticket on Monday. So this is not Monday. So this should be Monday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So this should be Thursday. Okay. And last one, R did not book a ticket on Saturday. So R did not book a ticket on Saturday. So this is R and this must be O. And F did not book a ticket on Friday. F and B are sitting together. So basically F and B should be here and here. And F cannot be on Friday. So F should be here. So B must be here. So the only person left out is C. That is here. Okay. So basically the arrangement that we are looking for is done. Now let's see. Which two people booked tickets on Friday? One is going to be B, second is N. So B and N, that's going to be option 2. Okay. R and F booked ticket on which day? So R on Thursday, F on Monday. So Thursday and Monday. That is going to be option D. Okay. Someone is sitting immediate left of someone who booked ticket on Tuesday. So immediate left of a guy who booked ticket on Tuesday. So one is R, second one is F. So R and F. So basically here I am going to say that this option is gone, this option is gone. Okay. While A is sitting to the immediate right of the person who booked ticket on. So A is sitting to the immediate right of the one who booked ticket on Monday. So that's going to be option C. Three of the following four are alike in a certain way, hence form a group which does not belong to that group. So basically C, E, Q, R. So C is corner, E is corner, Q is corner, and R is not corner. So which one is odd one out? That is going to be option D. So did we get all right? Yes. So basically, this is how this arrangement of circular arrangement, the linear arrangement and other information with linear arrangement can be dealt with. Now, if you got some calls, it's high time to join PDP, because for interviews, you are going to need some guidance, and you will be assigned a personalized mentor for you. Thank you.